So we have a Hitachi projector in my wife's classroom, and she said the power button is all wonky. So I took it apart, took the screws out of the base, and inside the switches that are goofy are kind of on this little rocker, and the power switch is broken off. So my solution is I got just some packing foam that's kind of flexible, and what I'm going to do is orient it on top of the board here so that I'm just going to hot glue I just cut the foam to the size of the button so it doesn't interfere, and I'm going to hot glue it onto the circuit board over this little dome switch. So I thought about just having her reach in and push the button, the actual switch, but the kids are there. I thought maybe they could touch electricity, so that's not a great idea. So I figured I'll just hot glue the switch there, totally movable. It'll, this will orient it. I've just got the contact piece and a little orientation piece through the foam. The foam's really soft. I thought about using like bubble wrap or something, but I'm just going to use this foam, and it totally is pushable. It'll be oriented right, and it won't slip out of the way. Looking for a solution online, didn't find one, so here's my solution. Hopefully it'll help you if you have a similar issue with a little piece of plastic. This plastic has a part number, the PC0714 or 0714. I looked for that online and didn't find it, so this is my necessity is the mother of invention thing, and these little pieces of plastic, I think somebody might have pushed a little too hard. So I'm coming up with a solution. Hopefully it will help you and help my wife get back to work.